click it out. You've been posted on the couch like it's a full-time job, scrolling perfect bodies while your confidence rots, watching highlight reels thinking that could be me, but you won't take one step so your mind stays weak. Everybody's filtered, everybody's too fine. Meanwhile your body's begging, please give me time. Not shame, not blame, just facts in the light. You want a new life, then change tonight. You don't need another fantasy to survive. You need your own heartbeat, your own real vibe. Pick it up, step outside, breathe it. Hey, hey, click it up, step outside, breathe it. Quit chasing pixels like love lives in there. Click it up, step outside, breathe it. Quit chasing pixels like love lives in there. Click it up, step outside, breathe it. Quit chasing pixels like love lives in there. Click it up, step outside, breathe it. Go live something heavy, go sweat out the doubt. Go meet someone real, let the real one show out. Stop comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's stage magazine. Respect your body, respect your mind. Don't trade your time for a fake design high. Love isn't a tab you keep open all night. Love is a walk in the city street light. Hey, 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 hey.